Well, hello there. Do you have a favorite date night restaurant? My friend and cameraman Leo and I just found out that we both love this place in Victoria, BC. It's one of our favorites. Why? Because it has ambiance. It's one of those restaurants where you're snuck in a little corner and the restaurant's really loud, but it creates a sense of intimacy and connection because you lean in with your sweetheart and you talk about your hopes and dreams and why life matters to you. Hi, I'm Dr. Cheryl Fraser, and you now know where I like to go on date night. I'm here to tell you why date night is so important. I know. You read too many magazines that said if you want to fix your relationship, go on dates. Thing is, it turns out statistically, research-wise, as a marriage, couples and communication and sexuality therapist, date night actually works. It's these moments where you choose to let the world fall away and you remember that each other are actually the most important thing in your world. Great couples create time for each other. Great couples do something I call making love intentional. Instead of waiting around and wondering where the thrill is gone, why we're not having fun anymore, you never take me out, I don't feel special, I'm not even sure you're interested in me the way you used to be. It's actually a reasonably easy fix. If you want to feel special and connected, if you want your sweetheart to feel special and connected, schedule a weekly date night. Here are the parameters. You do not talk about work. You do not talk about your children, as super fabulous as they are. You do not talk about bills or the fact that the dog needs their toenails cut. You talk about here and now, you and I. You talk about the future, some fun things you'd like to dream about together. And you talk about maybe what's happening or not happening in the bedroom. And then you watch some of my other love bites, like maybe the one from 2 weeks ago on multiple orgasms or the ones on tantric sexuality. And you learn how to bring more spice back into that bland meal that has become your love life. Date night is something my partner and I cherish. We look forward to it. We pick one night a week. For us, it's Friday night. We literally call it Friday night date night. And no matter what happens, the world goes crazy. We have a work deadline we didn't anticipate. We're tired. We're not feeling all that. We still carve out that time to connect with each other in all the ways that matter the most. I hope you've enjoyed this video, LoveByte. If you did, we'd love it if you'd subscribe. Just click below and do so, and then you won't miss any of these every week or two. Excellent, if I say so myself, teachings on love, sex, romance, passion, when and how to break up, what to do when you're dating someone new, and oh, so much more. I'm Dr. Cheryl Fraser. I'm a psychologist. I'm a sex therapist. I'm an author of Buddha's Bedroom. I've taught for Tony Robbins, Jack Canfield, and more, and I love sharing the things I've been gifted to learn with all of you. Hey, if you've got a friend who could maybe use a little help in or out of the bedroom, maybe they need to take their sweetheart on a date, please send them this. Maybe they'll learn something too. I will see you in the next video, LoveByte. Now, I'm going to see if my friend and cameraman wants to go have a meal at our favorite restaurant. Bye for now.